Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, I'm your nursery class teacher. Welcome to your English class. Students, in this English class, today we will learn how to write letter U. And that is letter U. And the sound of letter U is A. A. U, A, umbrella. U, A, on. U, A, uniform. Now let's start tracing letter U. But before that, let me teach you one thing, and that is we will always consider three lines for making letter U. Line number 1, 2, 3 is considered while making letter Q. Now let's start tracing it. Remember, we have to start from red line. Firstly, come down straight and then you have to turn just before touching the line. Touch the line and go up straight like this. This is capital letter U. Now let's start once again. Place your pencil here on this dot at line number 1. Then by joining these dots, come down straight and can turn just before touching the third line and touch the line and then go up straight. This is capital letter U. Students, if you turn beginning, then it will be wrong like this. Don't do that. Now let's do on single dot. Come down straight and then turn just before touching the line and then go up straight like this. This is capital letter U. Students, now it's your turn to write letter U beautifully. Thank you, dear kids. Stay home, stay safe.